Yes, good morning to everybody. Today we are in class number 4, chapter 7. In last class, we have discussed addition and subtraction of a two matrices. We know that to add or to subtract two matrices, the condition number 1, they should be in same order. And we can add corresponding elements of each matrix. A 2 cross 2 matrix, B also 2 cross 2 matrix, then A plus B, that is corresponding to 4, the element in matrix B corresponding element is 5, that is 4 plus 5. Next 1 plus 6, next 5 plus 7, next 6 plus half minus 1, 6 minus 1, that is nothing but 5. That is 9, 7, 12, 5. This is A plus B. Similarly, we can find out A minus B also. Then come to example number 2 here. A is 2 cross 2 matrix. B is 2 cross 3, 2 rows. 3 columns, 2 cross 3 matrix. Hence A plus B and A minus B does not exist. Then come to properties of matrix addition. That is important. Matrix addition. There are 4 properties. Please concentration about additive identity and additive inverse of a matrix. These are the 3rd and 4th properties. Then what is first and second? Matrix addition is a commutative. That means while adding A first, then B, that is A plus B, addition of B to A, this is the answer. If we supposed to find B plus A, then also we get the same answer. That is nothing but commutative. Similarly, associative property. Matrix addition is associative, always. First we shall find A plus B. We get some matrix like this. Then add the matrix C to this A plus B. We get some X answer, matrix X. Then in second option, find out B plus C. Add it to A. B plus C add it to A. We get both answers are same. Then come to additive identity of a matrix. Not identity matrix. Additive identity. There is a working rule. Take a matrix of order, some order, whatever may be it. Maybe square order or rectangular order. Please leave the place after addition because additive identity. We should get the same matrix. Then what is filling place? What matrix we have to fill in the dash? Oh, not 0. It is a null matrix of order A. That is the important. For example, 1, 1, 2, 1. Again 1, 1, 2, 1 Barbecue. That is a condition identity. If you take in some matrix and add it to some other matrix to it, we should get the same matrix. That is the condition for identity. 1, 1, 2, 1 is A. According to identity condition, additive identity condition, addition of the given matrix, we have to add some matrix to given matrix. Again we should get back the same matrix. Then what we have to add here? 0 0 0 0. Then what is that? Null matrix of order what? Of order A. So here null matrix null matrix is the null matrix of order A is the additive identity. Null matrix of order A is the additive identity. Simply don't write null matrix is the additive identity. It is wrong answer. Null matrix of zero matrix of order A is the identity with respect to given matrix A. Then come to additive inverse. Don't confuse with identity matrix 1001. That is definition of identity matrix. This is additive identity property. That is definition. Identity matrix is definition. Additive identity is the one of the property of matrix addition. Then come to additive inverse. Here also there is a working rule like identity. What is that? In previous step, what is meant by previous step? Additive identity is the previous step for additive inverse. Take a matrix, same matrix 1 1 2 1. In this inverse, additive inverse, in this inverse, additive inverse, take a matrix A. I have taken same example. I have taken same example. What we have taken in identity, additive identity, same example. And plus, leave the space for another matrix. Catch this point. Here also same working rule. Take a matrix A plus leave an open matrix of same order. RHS should be identity matrix, identity, additive identity, null matrix. This is rule. For identity, RHS should be the given matrix. For inverse, RHS should be the additive identity. What is additive identity in this example? This is identity, additive identity. That should be on RHS in additive inverse. Please catch this. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಡಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಡಿಟಿವ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಿಸಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರೂಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಡಿಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್. 0 0 0 is the null matrix of order A, which is additive identity in previous step. That should be filled in RHS. Then how to fill this matrix? You should fill this matrix in such a way that addition of these two matrices will get additive identity. That means simple. -1 -1 -2 -1. The complete matrix is same as given matrix with taken to be a minus. Is it negative to this matrix? Please observe. Okay. So A plus is equals to O. Here O is the additive identity matrix. Additive identity matrix of order A. Then come to here. minus A plus of minus A plus of minus A minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, get cancelled. Null matrix, sorry, it is not 0, it is a null matrix, is the additive inverse of minus A is the additive inverse of A. Minus A is the additive inverse of A because question and your inverse addition together identity, addition additive identity, that is null matrix. ಎಸ್ ಆಗಲೇ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಡಿಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸು. null matrix of order A is the additive identity for 1 mark. Minus A is the additive inverse of A. Additive inverse of A is for 1 mark. Yes. A plus B is equals to B plus C. Matrix addition is commutative over. A plus B of C is equal to A plus of B plus C. Addition associative. Matrix addition is associative is over. Third one, additive identity. Null matrix of order A is the important. Write the additive identity for matrix addition ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ you should write O, null matrix of order A, of order given matrix, order of a given matrix. Additive inverse of A is minus A. Then come to one of the definition. We are missing one definition while defining definitions of matrices. What is that? Negative of a matrix. It is a simple definition. Don't confuse it with a negative of a vector. That is also there in vectors chapter. Negative of a vector definition is also there. Negative of matrix is also there. Please listen carefully. Can we factorize minus 8? How? In different ways. Minus 1 into 8, minus 2 into 4, 8 into minus 1, like that. In similar way, just to factorize minus A as minus 1 into A. But write it in proper way. Minus is equal to minus 1 into A. So, negative of a matrix is over. Wrong. Negative of a matrix is denoted by minus A. Negative of a matrix capital A is denoted by minus A. And we define minus A is equals to minus 1 into A. Minus A ಅನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು. How to factorize? Minus 1 A minus A is equal to minus 1 into A. That is the negative of a matrix. Don't confuse with the negative of a vector in vectors chapter. Both the definitions are there. Okay. Yes. Come to multiplication of a matrix by scalar. It is not the meaning multiplication of two matrices. Further it will come multiplication of two matrices. It is matrix multiplication of a matrix by scalar. Scalar means a number. See, let me take 7. Matrix means matrix of any order. Multiply this matrix by 7. We get 7A. That is 7A is equals to 7 into 2, 5, 6, 7, 1, 8. Multiply this 7 to every number inside a matrix. That means 14, 35, 42, 49, 7, 56. 7 2 is 14, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 1 is 7, 7 8 is 56. This is 7A, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು 7A is equals to this is the answer. Yes, here there is one problem about multiplication of a matrix by scalar. A is given, B is given, they are of same order. We have to find out 3A minus 2B. You know that how to find 3A? 3 into 2, 1, 5, 4, 8, minus 7. that is equals to 6, 3, 15, 12, 24 minus 21. Just multiply 3 with given matrix because we have to find out 3a first. Then come to 2b. That is 2 into b matrix. 2, 8, 5, 4, 1, 4. That is equals to 2 to 4, 16, 10. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s again 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s again 8. We are getting 3a and 2b separately. Now we have to find 3a minus 2b. That is equals to 3a, 6, 3, 15, 12, 24 minus 21. Minus 2b, 4, 16, 10, 8, 2, 8. They are of same order. We can subtract. Subtracting corresponding elements of these two matrices. We know that corresponding element of 6 in first matrix is 4. 6 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 16, minus 13. 15 minus 10, 5. 12 minus 8, 4. 24 minus 2, 22. Minus 21 minus 8. Both are having minus sign, we have to add them. Minus 21 minus 8 minus 21. This is 3a minus 2b. Only 2 steps. Only 2 steps. Find out 3a, find out 2b, subtract them. Yes. Another problem is there about scalar multiplication of a matrix and includes addition and subtraction of a matrices also. They are given matrix representation is some different, x plus y. Here also some matrix is given, representation is also different, x minus y. In this problem, we have to find out matrices x and y. They are not values. They are not asking find the values of x and y. X and y are not values. X and y are matrices in this problem. Catch this point. Yes. X plus y is equals to 5 to 0, 9. X minus y is equals to 3, 6, 0, minus 1. We are writing in the given order. To find the matrices x and y, we have learned solution of simultaneous linear equations in SSLC in previous classes. Cancelled y, find x, then cancelled x, find y, or find x, substitute in place of y. So like that. Let me first find. If we subtract xx get cancelled, we get y. If we add y get cancelled, we get x. Whatever may be. Yes. Addition modana y get cancelled. 2x is equals to addition of two matrices. We know that corresponding elements of first matrix plus corresponding element of second matrix. Just addition. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus half minus, again 8. So x is equals to, there is a possible to mistake you here. Listen carefully. This is a product. To bring it to RHS, it should be a half divide. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, a2 ನ ಕಡೆ ತಂದುಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ, 2 into ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಾಗ್ತೀರಾ ಗೋಯಿಂದ. 8, 8, 0, 8. Please note this point. If all the numbers are divisible by this 2, then only you divide. Otherwise, leave it here also. Once again, I will repeat. If it is possible to divide all the numbers inside the matrix by this 2, then we can divide. That is 4, 4, 0, 4. Then to find y, it is better to write again the equations. X plus y is equals to 5 to 0, 9. X minus y is equals to 3, 6, 0, minus 1. Subtract. We get x cancel. 2y is equals to s. Subtract. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 minus 6, minus 4. 0 minus 0. 9 minus half minus becomes 10. So y is equals to 1 minus 2. Let me divide first by half. This is product. To bring it into RHS, it become a divisor. Half 0, 10. That is equals to, again catch this point. If all the elements inside the matrix are divisible by this 2, then only we can divide. Otherwise, we can leave here also. 1 minus 2, 0, 5. This is matrix. Simplification ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾನು ಏನಾದ್ರು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರೂಲ್ is correct. Sir, we have some doubt, sir. Yes, what is that? We are getting x, no? Substitute in place of x either in first equation or second equation. Yes, your expectation is correct. Then where you are getting problem? While finding x, if we have some fraction instead of half, if it is 1 by 3, then this is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 of this matrix. To bring it into RHS, just like minus 1 by 3 into some matrix. To subtract these two matrices, we are confused with this 1 by 3. Be careful. Is it? Is it or not? Once again I will repeat. Once again I will answer for your doubt. Suppose x is equal to some fraction into matrix. Elements of matrices are not divisible by that fraction. Then we can leave it outside itself. For example, by 3. 8, 8, 8 cannot divisible by 3. Then we can write 1 by 3 some matrix. While finding y, x value in terms of 1 by 3, bring it into RHS, some matrix minus some matrix with the small confusion minus 1 by 3. Then we cannot subtract. We can subtract, but it is confusion and difficult. That's what I am saying. X plus y, x minus y, written once again. Here we are adding, y get cancelled. Subtract, x get cancelled, we get back. At last, everybody doing some small mistake. What is that? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ 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 ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದಾಕಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ವೈ ಬರ್ದಾಕಿರ್ತಾರ, ಹೊರಟೋಯ್ತು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 98, 97, ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ 100, ಯು ಲೂಸ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ 100%. What is the mistake? Once again I will repeat. Through running of the problem, somewhere you are by mistake converted capital X and capital Y to small x and small y. They are asking find capital X and capital Y. So small x, small y, they are not asking. At each and every step we have to check out whether I am writing capital X or capital Y, small x or small y. Okay. This is capital X, this is capital Y. Both are matrices. They are asking find the matrices capital X and capital Y. Yes. Here there is a similar problem. Matrix multiplication by a scalar is given some matrix equation in some manner. Matrix equation. What they are asking, find xy. How to find xy? See, what are the symbols between matrices? Please carefully observe. What is the symbol? Plus. Means we have to add. Before addition of these two matrices, outside 2 is there. This is not problem number. 2 times the first matrix. So, implies don't use equal because equal symbol already is there. 2x, 10, 14. Multiply this 2 with y, we get 2y. Multiply this 2 with 3, we get. Plus, this is 10, okay. Plus 3 minus 4, 1, 2 is equals to 7, 6, 15, 14. Yes. In first step, we are multiplying 2 with first matrix. In next step, again don't use equal. Equal symbol is there. This is a addition symbol. These two matrices are of same order. We can add easily. 2x plus 3. 10 plus half minus 4. 14 plus 1. 15. 2y minus 6 plus 2. As it is. 2y minus 6 plus 2. 7, 6, 15, 14. Again, what is the symbol? Equal. So we have to equate. Nothing. We have to equating means corresponding elements are to be equated. That is 2x plus 3 is equals to 7. Then 2x is equals to 7 minus 3. 2x is equals to 4. X is equals to 2. This is a value. In previous example, they are asking capital X and capital Y. Hence, they are in terms of matrices. In this problem, they are asking the values of x, y. Hence, small x. Yes. Then 15 equals to 15. Leave it. 6 is equal to 6. Leave it. 2y minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 equal to 14. 2y is equals to 18. Minus 4 ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Plus 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 14 plus 4 18 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then y is equals to 9. Values of x and y are asking. So we are finding values of. Find the matrices capital X and capital Y. We should write capital X, capital Y in terms of matrices. Just like in previous example. Yes. Again, they are given two matrices. Plus symbol is there. We have to add. Answer cos square x plus sin square x. Sin square x plus cos square x. This is cos square. Again, sin square x plus cos square x. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಗೈನ್ cos square x plus sin square x. This is addition with respect to this. 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 Then in first PUC trigonometry, cos square x plus sin square x value 1, 1, 1, 1. This is the answer. Does it unit matrix? No. Does it identity matrix? No. Just answer 1, 1, 1. Yes, there is a problem. We enter into the account of 5 marks problems. Yes, they are given 3 matrices of same order 3 cross 3. We have to show that a plus of b minus is equal to a plus b minus c. 5 marks question. Listen carefully. Please, below average students, to get your pass marks, note such a problems. Let me use mother tongue in this problem to understood. Below average ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪಾಪ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Yes. This what we have to show that. First take left hand side. We can find out RHS also. Yes. In left hand side, a plus of b minus c is there. In bracket b minus c, that is one term. We have to find out b minus c. b 3 minus 1 2 4 2 5 2 0 3 minus c 4 1 2 0 3 2 1 minus 2 3. Can we subtract? Yes. 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 2 minus 2 0 4 minus 0 4 2 minus 3 minus 1 5 minus 2 3 2 minus 1 1 0 minus half minus plus 2 3 minus 3 0. What is this? b minus c. b minus c. Yes. Then a plus b minus c. What is a? 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2 1 minus 1 1. b minus c we are finding. Minus 1 minus 1 0 4 minus 1 3 1 2 0. Yes. What is the symbol? Plus. 1 plus of minus 1 0. 2 plus of minus 2 0. Minus 3 plus of 0 minus 3. 5 plus of 4 9. 0 plus of minus 1 minus 1. 2 plus of 3 5. 1 plus 1 2. Minus 1 plus minus 2 minus 1 plus 2, nothing but 1. 1 plus 0 1. So we are getting LHS. To find b minus c 1 mark, to find LHS 1 mark. Next, to find a plus b, we are getting we are in RHS now. A plus b is equals to, similarly, a 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2 1 minus 1 1 plus b 3 minus 1 2 4 2 5 2 0 3. What is the symbol? Addition. Shall we add? Yes. 4 1 plus 3 4 2 plus minus 1 1 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 5 plus 4 9 0 plus 2 again 2 2 plus 5 again 7 1 plus 2 3 minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 1 plus 3 4. We are getting a plus b. A plus b. Then for this one mark, a plus b minus c. A plus b find out ಮಾಡಿದೆ 4 1 minus 1 9 2 7 3 minus 1 4 minus c 4 1 2 0 3 2 1 minus 2 3. Yes. Shall we subtract? Be careful. Yes. 4 minus 4 0 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. This is quality equation number 1. Yes. 9 minus 0 9 2 minus 3 minus 1 7 minus 2 5 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 1 4 minus 3 1. Correct equation number 2. Yes. For finding b minus 1 mark. For finding a plus of b minus LHS 1 mark. For finding a plus b RHS of first term 1 mark. For finding a plus b minus c. LHS RHS same ಇದೆ. Please observe. 1 1 1 1 4 marks. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇನ್ನು 1 mark 5 marks question ಇದು. Yes, at last, without fail, we should write a plus b minus c is equals to a plus b minus c. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You are showing same answers, LHS, RHS. But conclusion is very important. Okay.